Congratulations to all TikTok refugees from the real TikTok, Douyin. Here's the motherland of TikTok and offers more professional detailed content. For example, many TikTok refugees curious about the US in China. In this long-form Douyin video, you will find the best answer. First, you'd focus on A-shares. Like US stocks, A-shares are green most of the time, a healthy and exciting color. Just as the US stocks has been for the past 3 years, the same color represents the equally excellent history of A-shares and US stocks, as well as their future investment potential. Second, like the Nasdaq, A-shares have countless high-tech companies. You guys have Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Our A-share most famous tech company is Guizhou Moutai, which leads the A-share market with its world-leading salt-fragranced liquor technology. It's not only the highest-weighted stock on the Shanghai Composite Index, but also the highest-priced stock. Third, besides high-tech companies, A-shares also have many unique companies not found in US stock, such as concept stocks truly mirroring Donald Trump. This company is named Chuanda Zhisheng. Approaching the US election in October, this company began to surge, and then in November of the election, when Trump was elected, it surged again, from 10 RMB all the way to 24. This reflects Chinese investor support for Trump and embodies the friendly unity between the Chinese and American people. At the same time, another candidate, Harris, also had a corresponding concept stock in Chinese A-share, which called HARS. HARS also soared from just over 6 RMB to nearly 10 until Harris lost the election, after which the stock plummeted. In short, these are the companies patriotic Americans should invest in. Patriotic Americans should not invest in the Nasdaq. True Americans should invest in these A-shares exclusively for Americans. Fourth, A-share offer advantages over US stocks. US stock investments can lead to significant upward pressure and psychological stress, but A-shares tend to be more stable, year-round maintained at certain specific levels. Even if there are sometimes sudden surges, it will also quickly pull back to protect the physical and mental health of investors. Fifth, the US has a short selling mechanism, but you don't have to worry in A-shares. A-shares thoughtfully have no short selling mechanism, so no one will short A-shares. Moreover, Buffett once said that those who short their own country will never make a fortune. Therefore, you don't have to worry about being shorted after investing A-shares. This shows the huge profit potential of A-shares. Sixth, institutional investors account for a higher proportion in US stock, meaning your trading opponents in the US are very skilled. But in A-shares, you don't have to worry, because A-shares are mainly retail investors who are known for chasing rising, selling falling ones. Even me. Seventh, unlike US stock, A-shares implement a T+1 trading system. Although this limits investors' flexibility to some extent, it also helps reduce market speculation and protect investor interests. Investing in A-shares will make you a more patient and emotionally stable person. Eighth, domestically, there are not only A-shares but also B-shares, where some undervalued opportunities exist. Ninth, since A-shares have been low for a long time, meaning core assets are seriously undervalued, and US stocks are now really high and risky, it might be a good time to sell everything in the US and go all in on A-shares. This will be a watershed moment in your life. 10th, you can indirectly invest in A-shares through overseas funds. At the same time, you can invest in A-shares through QFII and RQFII. You can Google their specific meanings, but these two channels are not suitable for ordinary people. You can also invest in A-shares through the Shanghai Hong Kong Stock Connect, Shenzhen Hong Kong Stock Connect, and Shanghai London Stock Connect. This means you can buy Chinese stocks through Hong Kong and London, and it's much easier for you to open accounts in those places. Of course, if you have already obtained Chinese permanent residency, you can legally apply to open a Chinese securities account. Finally, we all know Trump and his MAGA slogan. In China, we also have our own MAGA. Let's make A-shares great again. As a financial video creator, I sincerely hope to accomplish this great undertaking together with you guys from TikTok. Capital never sleeps. See you.